सबके साथ लाइफ में घी होना चाहिए। This is out of the world.
The begun is the star of the show.
I've never had something like this.
Wow, Mishti dough is here guys. मुझे भी थोड़ी देर बाद खाने वाले हैं।
What a meal, guys! What a meal!
যদি এরপরে তোমাদের বাড়ির ভাত কমে যায় ওকে দোষ দিও। हाय गाइस। तो जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हो अभी हम एक कॉम्प्लेक्स में है, जैसे कि देख सकते हो। यस, हम लोग दोक्षी नयन कॉम्प्लेक्स में दोक्षी नयन कॉम्प्लेक्स में है। एंड आज हमें एसी की एक फ्रेंड है सोहिनी, who also goes by the name of
Smoke and Lime.
हाँ, सोहिनी आका स्मोक एंड लाइम। तो आज हम उनके घर पे इनवाइटेड हुए हैं एकदम क्विंटेसेंशियल वो मील खाने के लिए जिसके लिए बंगालीज जाने जाते हैं, फिश एंड राइस। So also she is a chef and she stays in London. Anything else you want to add to it, AC?
No, it's just that she's the one who made me fall in love with effortless cooking. You should go out on Instagram and check her reels. She has a page called Smoke and Lime. And she's just too good. I'm so excited.
But कभी तुमने उसका हाथ का खाना खाया है?
नहीं यार।
तो आज देखते हैं कैसे चावल के साथ मच्छी मिला के आके खाएंगे, मतलब मजा आ जाएगा एकदम। So AC, are you ready?
ये
अरे 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 अरे
Hi, hello.
तुम क्या खाने आए हो भाई?
मैं ये खाना खाने आया हूँ, गिफ्ट लेकर आया हूँ।
गिफ्ट दिखा दिखा क्या गिफ्ट लाए? अरे that's it. So guys, this is gift man bringing us the gift hamper from Shalimar. So gift hamper, are you ready to have machhi and bhat?
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely. तो चले क्या? चले चलो, let's go guys, let's go.
Hi, I'm Shohini. I run Smoke and Lime Supper Clubs, and I invited the hungry guests into my home, my mom's home, to feed them a very Bengali lunch. So it was very easy today, actually, genuinely. I had marinated the tangra mach, which we get some amazing quality fish in Kolkata. So that was with holud and some salt. So aloo, you can have aloo shiddo, you can have aloo chokha. And I really like aloo chokha with the curry leaves. We did a dal fry. I say we. I did a dal fry. So dal fry, instead of adding some whole spices, what I did is I added some kashundi and kashundi aam teler achar. Then we did the begun. Begun bhaja is, I don't think any Bengali doesn't like begun bhaja, to be honest. So begun bhaja was done in strips, a sesame and green chili paste, which is basically like a tahini. And this really gorgeous sambal. And I'm obsessed with sambal. I'm obsessed with pastes and chili oils and all of those condimenty things.
हेलो, we are here. खाने आ गए हम लोग फ्री में। उनके घर में जब हम घुसे तो उनके घर को हमने देखा, उन्होंने अपना पेंटिंग्स दिखाया, वॉर्म दिखाया, उनके हमने मम्मी पापा से भी मिले, आंटी अंकल भी बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रेशियस और वॉर्म थे।
The food today was incredible. I mean, it's so good to see how she has made such simple food items from her family into such unique dishes.
जब हमने टेबल में जो खाना मैंने स्प्रेड आउट देखा, it was so simple.
And it's so interesting that she knew that I love this specific aloo chokha with curry patta and tangra mach. I don't know how she got to know all of this, but I love begun. I love.
So let's get started.
Yeah, let's go.
प्रॉपर बंगाली मील था, लेकिन हर एक खाना में एक ट्विस्ट था।
So I'll tell you one item after the other and take you through the whole menu. There was bhat, which is obviously my favorite. अब तक तो सबको पता चल ही गया होगा, hungry guest. And then there was aloo shiddo. Also, I am very fond of South Indian food and curry patta and all of that. So the aloo shiddo had curry patta, roshun and podi powder. It was so good. It was something.
আচ্ছা, প্রথমে ওই আলু সেদ্ধর সাথে ঘিটা খাই না?
হ্যাঁ, yeah. So I need a.
এই নাও।
না, ঘিটা তো I'll pour.
আর কিছু?
No, ghee I'm pouring.
इतने से क्या होगा, और ज्यादा था। हाँ, बस, थैंक यू।
My God, I love it.
अब सही है।
अब सही है।
I love how she's putting it on the side. She knows it.
হ্যাঁ, সাইডে তো দিতে হবে, না হলে হবে না।
And the bhat is piping hot.
Yeah, so this is tulai panji আজকে ভাত।
Tulai Panji, what is that? That's a
Tulai.
variant of rice.
Tulai Panji.
Tulai
So you
Panji.
know Bengal actually had like more than 50 or 60 varieties of rice. And then the British people came and then they were like, no, let's make one.
This is gonna be the bite of bliss.
But what about the dal? You'll have. I mean,
So
what is it called? Gal.
Gal, egg gal. You want to be happy?
Okay, the dal.
Do you want dal?
Yes, of course, you want dal.
The best aloo siddho bhat of the year, sorry, of the decade. Sorry, of the millennium.
Oh God.
So good.
I don't know how aloo siddho can taste this good.
It can.
I mean, it tastes good, but then
Take this, lebu achar.
Then next I had the dal. Dal was like something that she has kind of created, you can say, from her own imagination. She's added kashundi, aam kashundi, and with the dal, and it was like a thick dal, very different from the one that we have at Bengali households.
What is this achar?
Nimbu.
the dal is so good. This is very different from the Bengali
And kashundi achar dal.
Joy, you love it. It's your style.
घर का एकदम जो हम रेगुलर जो खाना खाते हैं, दाल, क्या बोलते हैं, आलू सिद्धो, उसके बाद फिश, प्रॉपर बंगाली मील था, लेकिन हर एक खाना में एक ट्विस्ट था.
दाल के साथ थोड़ा घी दे दे.
It's gonna spoil the taste of
I
kashu.
don't care. सबके साथ लाइफ में घी होना चाहिए. लाइफ में घी होना बहुत.
ওই দেখ এসে গেছে
হ্যালো.
সবাইকে এখন হ্যালো বলবে
কি নাম ওর?
সিম্বা সিম্বা
Hi Simba. Okay.
সিম্বু খাবার খাও
Simbu ki khai? Ni Delhi, what is his diet?
চিকেন স্টু ভাত
Chicken stew khai. Sabji khai ho?
पागल हो जाऊंगा भाई. बहुत सही है.
So brinjal is my absolute favorite vegetable, and she had made like a til posto begun, which you'll see in the visuals. It's so good.
This is begun with like a til paste, til and posto, and then on top is some more til and some lonka achare til.
Can I have one more baby?
Yeah, of course you can.
I want the bottom one. Yes.
Oh, যেটা soak করেছে
Yes.
yeah খাও খাও
Thank you.
I'll not have begun because I'm allergic to begun, but I will have.
no but then that's touch the begun
ना वैसा भी एलर्जी नहीं because begun.
oh अच्छा अच्छा
Okay, I have very bad allergy begun, but I'm tao begun khai.
you will yeah
Let mommy.
no no there's জায়গা এ তো শুধু ঘি খেয়ে গেল all you ate was ghee
The begun is the star of the show.
yeah I think so too usually I do a black tahini sauce so এখানে I did a white tahini sauce
So good. Begun this good.
And then I had fish. She had made tangra with piyaj koli. It was very good. It's not something I've had before.
Moment of truth.
Smells so good.
তো দেবো
Ishi, you will die today. I'm telling you. This is
হ্যাঁ আর
that good.
তুই কিন্তু এরপর আর কাজ করতে পারবি না
This is that good. You know. That's more. What do you call this?
this is tangra peyaj koli but I put some sambal in it some Malaysian sambal
अच्छा.
একটু তো ঘন ডাল খেতে
It's too good. ऐसी কেমন লাগে?
No, begun is not the star of the show.
This is the star of the
This
show.
is the
Yes,
star of the show.
absolutely. Yes.
And then what else was there? There was morala mache tok. That is also something I love having.
এটা কেউ বাদ দিয়ে গেছে?
না ওটা এমনি খেতে
I think he's like watching a circus. Look at us.
তো আমি এটা বাদ দিয়ে গেছি. Wow. So this is a chutney or something?
এরকম মৌরলা মাছের টক
अच्छा.
তো টক বাঙালি cuisine it's always like a palate cleanser
Hmm.
right
So it's very weird that how she knew what I would want to have. I don't know if that makes sense, but every item on the menu today was my absolute favorite, and I loved having each one of them. So you know, it had so much of warmth that I didn't feel like I am here for the first time. I felt like I've known her for longer than I have actually known her, and I've come to her place to eat a lot of times. This was not the first time.
It's actually very good.
Wait, बहुत ज़्यादा सही है. This is fantastic.
I'm not a fan of Mishti Doi, but this is very good.
I'm a fan of Mishti Doi and this is very good.
Okay, thank you Shohini, thank you so much. It was a pleasure.
long overdue.
Yeah.
Yes, चलते हैं.
नहीं तो भूल गए.
Oh, thank you gift man.
Gift कैसे भूल गए यार?
So Shohini, this is from our gift sponsor Shalimars, and इनके बारे में बहुत अच्छा कुछ बोलना है आपको, हमको भी बोलना है.
I use this already.
Really? I think this is something we used during childhood. Even now,
exactly.
you know, इसमें आपके लिए देखिए मसाला है,
so
जीरा है,
excited.
तेल है, बहुत कुछ है. So you can use this to cook amazing food and call us again.
Yeah.
And feed you again.
That's
Yes.
a hint.
So that you can go home and sleep.
Yes. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into another episode of The Hungry Guests. And AC,
Do not forget to wait. There's a car coming. We need to step
we'll wait
aside.
for the car to go away.
And then-
Don't cut.
Don't touch.
Yes, AC.
Thank you. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on our channel, The Hungry Guests. And also, please do follow Smoke and Lime on Instagram. You will love it.
You will love the food that she's cooking. You love the content that she's cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye, guys. Take care.
See you. Bye. And yet another episode of The Hungry Guests.